In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get a copy of a tax invoice for your Target online order. Let's get started. First, launch your Target app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head over to my Target page. Here you're going to find the option of purchase history or order history. Click on that option. Now select the order for which you need a tax invoice. On the order details page, look for options such as view receipt, order details, or print receipt. Depending on what's available for your order, if a tax invoice is available, you can open it, download it as a PDF if supported, or print a copy for your records. If you checked out as a guest and don't have a Target account, locate your order confirmation email and use the order lookup option on the Target website by entering your order number and the email address you used when placing the order. From there, you may be able to access your order details and receipt. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.